our double cafe door. First off, the overall dimensions. Dimensions for each cafe door. We have 17¼ inches by 39¾ inches tall. And the depth for each door will be 1½ inches. With the doors combined, we have a length of 34½ inches. Coming to the top left and right corners will be the push tabs or hinges to install these doors. Located on the other side will be your barrel bolt to loosen or lock both doors. And located on the bottom of each door will be inserts to install these doors. Corrugated filters for the left and right doors, and with the doors installed, both will open simultaneously. Included with your cafe door will be screws, along with hardware and rotating shafts to install your cafe door. The measurements for the smaller corner brace or rotating shaft, we have 2¼ inches in length by 3 inches in height. 4-hole inserts for your screws. And the measurements for the second bracket or rotating shaft, we have 1¾ inches in length by 4 inches in height. There will also be 4 slots or inserts for your screws. All these will be included with your purchase for one single or a double cafe door. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.